Hi and welcome to Webassign Wizard. Today we're going to be talking about the Doppler Effect. So imagine you're standing on the side of the road and an ambulance drives by. As the ambulance comes towards you, its siren sounds high-pitched, but as soon as it passes you, it sounds lower. Why is that? Well, let's take a closer look. While the ambulance is stationary, the sound waves move out in concentric circles, kind of like ripples on a pond. Now let's look at the sound waves while the ambulance is moving. As you can see from the left side, the sound waves seem very close together, and from the right side, they seem very far apart. The distance between the sound waves corresponds to their frequency, and waves with a high frequency have a high pitch, waves with a low frequency have a low pitch. So, if the ambulance is moving towards you, you'll hear a high frequency because those waves are so close together, and therefore a high pitch. If the ambulance is moving away from you, the waves are very far apart and have a low frequency, so you'll hear a low pitch. And that's the Doppler effect. If a wave source is moving towards you, the waves will appear to have a higher frequency. If a wave source is moving away from you, the waves will appear to have a lower frequency. So, why should you care? Well, let's look at the big picture. In 1929, Edwin Hubble looked out at distant galaxies, and he noticed that they had this strange red shift to them. He was like, that's weird. So he started to do some research with these things called Cepheid stars, which are stars that pulsate at regular intervals. Now, in his research, Hubble realized that this strange red tint was a result of the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect doesn't just affect sound waves, it affects all sorts of waves, including visible light. Now, when Hubble looked out at this distant galaxy, he saw red, which is a low-frequency light. And earlier we learned that if a source of waves is moving farther away from us, its waves will appear to have a lower frequency light. So Hubble deduced that this distant galaxy must be moving away from us to create this red tint. This was a major breakthrough. It completely changed the way we thought about the universe. It taught us that the universe is constantly expanding with galaxies just flying away from each other, and it was used as evidence to support the Big Bang. And that's what's so cool about the Doppler effect. It can be so small that we can just run into it while walking down the street, or it can be so large that it changes everything we thought we knew and teaches us about the mysteries of the universe. And isn't that incredible? If you want to see this video in American Sign Language with subtitles, please click here. Thank you. Bye.